So let's ask ChatGPT how to make meat pie, Nigeria meat pie. I actually already asked, and ChatGPT kind of list things to do. So we're just going to be following ChatGPT recipe, okay? So we need 2 medium diced potato. So say we need, so I already diced one. Just letting you know this is one. So this one, I feel like this is too much anyway, but let's put this here. I'll just do a voiceover for this. Just a second. So 2 dice.
What's the apple?
Wash the apple. Good job. So what will you say? You're welcome. So the next thing is 500 grams of beef. So that is 1 carrot, so 1 large carrot. So me I now have big carrots, so I have small carrots. So we'll pick small carrots, salt and pepper to taste. 2 small carrots. So I'm just gonna flip it. Let's do small carrots. There's no big carrots. We'll use what we have, we'll manage it. I feel like this carrot is enough. So let's check on with ChatGPT. So it said 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, so let's do the dough first, then we'll come back. So let's do the dough. Flour 4 cups. So this is cup 1. I feel like that is too much. 2, 3, 4 cups of purpose flour. One teaspoon baking powder. It said 1 teaspoon. Let's say this is 1.5, so we'll put this one 2. It said half. This is half teaspoon. So half teaspoon of salt. Then 251. 1 egg for blush. Next thing we are putting is butter. It said 250. 250. This is how many? This is 266. 220. 250. That is 226 grams. So you will use all this butter. Should I have melted the butter first? I'll remove the butter first, then let's add water first, then we'll remove the butter. said one add cold water. Let's melt the butter. I don't have too many patience like that. Let's melt the butter for 1 minute. I don't have patience for. I think I should have one glove, right? Let's wait for butter to melt and pour it in seconds. I don't understand. It's ChatGPT that I'm following you. So butter is halfway melted, so we're just going to put it inside. After I my hand already, we just have to finish with hand. Should have one glove. I'm not going to miss it in everything. Let me add some water. I just hope that it will not spoil the whole thing that I've been doing. I hope so. So I need to put this in a pan, in a flat surface. Ooh. Let's knead it in a flat surface. much. So hot. Thank you. Mm.